increased emissions, sluggish acceleration, a whining noise coming from your engine, you may be in need of a turbocharger replacement in your Cummins N14. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Choose balanced, long-lasting power. Install a turbocharger for your N14 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Deliver more power to your engine while also increasing fuel economy and reducing emissions by replacing your old turbo. Each turbo is built to OE specifications and tolerances, ensuring quality and consistency, fitting perfectly on your Cummins N14. Tested for maximum durability to withstand the extreme conditions inside your engine. Each part is thoroughly inspected for fit and finish before being built into the turbo. If you're looking for a quicker boost with less lag time, this turbocharger for your Cummins N14 is the answer. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.